So it's a nice warm day in November. Some birds like these robins and starlings. There's a robin starting just left. They're taking advantage by taking a short little dip. Might be the last warm day that you get a chance to do it, as we're midway through November and we've had an unusually warm day. But birds, even in wintertime, if they find open water, will probably take advantage and bathe when they can, keep their feathers clean, because obviously it's something very important to them. We've got now a starling joining in. So a native on the right, the non-native European starling on the left. And again, they'll look for food in there too, but in reality, and now comes in and joins. Oh, just flew off. Oh, that's it. We got everybody taking a bath now. Hear them all flapping. Robins, starlings, there's even a house sparrow. Nope, house sparrow flew off. Looks like it's the local bird bath. There's a house sparrow. Everyone enjoying the nice warm day. Man, good day at the pool, huh?